So do you like to grill out and eat barbecue? While it can taste so good, it may not be the healthiest choice, or at least not too often. When we brown food, especially cooking meats, the proteins and fats combine with sugar called glycation, and it ends up damaging our blood cells. It's forming what's called AGEs, which stands for Advanced Glycosylated End Products. By the way, sugary processed packaged foods also are high in AGEs. So this ends up forming a lot of free radicals, inflammation, oxidative stress, and basically aging of our body. Granted, our body can try to clean up a lot of these messes with healthy eating habits, antioxidants, good sleep, and exercise, but it's always smart to prevent damage to our body on the front end rather than try to clean it up on the back end. So when it comes to cooking food, it's always best to stick with cooking low and slow and with moist or wet heat rather than high heat, dry heat that ends up browning, barbecuing, charring, searing, blackening food, forming these AGEs. By the way, this is also the process that tends to happen in the body of diabetics. That's why we measure a test called hemoglobin A1C. It's basically the damage that sugar is doing to the blood cell over the life of the blood cell of 3 months. And remember that diabetics have a lot of damage to their body because these AGEs tend to damage our blood vessels, so it can result in eye disease, kidney disease, heart disease, and aging in general. So always be aware of not only what you're eating, but the method and preparation of cooking so that you're not ruining the benefits of your food. Research shows that clicking the thumbs up and subscribe button will make fingers healthy and strong, and besides, it's free.